Hey guys, it's Danielle and today I'm going to be showing you how to program your positional servo. First, you're going to want to go on makecode.com. Then you're going to want to click on the Circuit Playground Express. Click on New Project. Go to Advanced, then scroll down and click on Extensions. Find Servo. Click on that. And a new set of blocks should pop up in your toolbox, which is servos. So to program your positional servo to swing back and forth, click on servos, then go underneath positional, drag this set servo out and drop it in here. Then go to loops and you're going to want to take a pause out. You're actually going to want to take 2 of those out. And then take another one of the set servo and drop it. So it's going to go set servo, pause, set servo, pause. You need the pause blocks to allow the servo time to travel to its new position. So if you click on these, you can pick how many seconds you want it to pause for before it goes into its new position. So I'm going to change this to 0 and this to 180 since the positional servo goes from 0 to 180 degrees. And I'm going to make this 2 seconds. And I'm going to name this. You can also just name it positional servo swing. So now you're going to want to click download. So once you plug in your USB cord to your Circuit Playground and your computer, you're going to want to open up your files. So if you go to your downloads, it should pop up as Circuit Playground and then whatever you named it. You're going to want to plug in your USB cord to your computer or Chromebook and then to your Circuit Playground. Once you do that, you want to hit reset on your Circuit Playground, which is the button in the middle. Once the lights are green, you want to drag your file to the C playboot, drop it in there. Once it's done, you can disconnect it. And you're going to want to plug in your battery pack to your Circuit Playground. Then clip in your alligator clips in the correct spot. After clipping the alligator clips to the correct spot, you're going to want to turn on your battery. So on your Circuit Playground, there are 2 buttons that you can use to activate your positional servo. Click on Circuit Playground, New Project. I'm going to name this Positional Servo button. So we're going to get rid of this forever block. Oh, but first go to Advanced, go to Extensions, click on Servo. So to program your servo to use one of the buttons to activate it to go into the position you want it to, you're going to want to erase this. Go to Input, take a on button A out, take 2 of those out. You're going to switch one of these buttons to B. Then you're going to go to your servos blocks and get the set servo. You want 2 of those. So since your positional servo goes from 0 to 180 degrees, you can play around with where you want it to start from and where you want it to stop. So I'm going to do 0 to 180. Then make sure you name your file. Click download. Go to your downloads. Then plug in your circuit playground to your computer. So remember, once the lights turn green, you can drag your file to the C play boot, just like that. Then you're gonna take it out. Clip on your alligator clips to the right spot. Plug in your battery as well. Turn your battery on. I'm gonna click on A, then B, and it goes from 0 to 180.